Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Talk Now Live. We are live and back and better than ever. So grateful that you have come back to join us here on Crypto Talk Now Live with Larry. We have so much to talk about, so much news to talk about, so much market minutia. A new word I'm going to say on the show. I haven't used that word actually in years. There's a lot of minutia that we need to dig through. Is the market throwing me a curveball? Me personally, I do not think so. I think that there's a lot of hype going on. People are concerned that we are perhaps might have missed the bull run, maybe on my end. I don't think so. There also has been an old man coming out of a cave sighting, at least for a photo opportunity. We'll get into talking about that. So much going on ahead of the big key date that I'm looking on. This is for all the marbles. July 26th and 27th, when the Federal Reserve in the U.S. here is meeting. That's what we're really paying attention to. At least I am on this end. We have to get into your comments. There's so much to talk about. Let's welcome everybody that's here. Selmo Fudd, what is up? Crypto Talk Now. On the lookout for the blue whales. Yes. Welcome back to Maria Anderson, Crypto Millionaire. Thank you so much. Maria will be back Wednesday, and I will actually be on her show on Thursday. If you guys haven't seen her yet, she's another fellow content creator, or actually a lady. But yes, she does a great job. Actually, interestingly enough, I see that she had an interview with somebody that actually is a member of our channel, Eugene, who is he actually is the developer of Crypto Lotto Group. So I see that right here. So yes. So also you can give her a check out on YouTube. You can follow her on Twitter, Maria Anderson with an E. Also, she does a lot of giveaways, stuff with hardware wallets and all kinds of stuff. Also, here's her link tree. And also she is a little bit newer to TikTok, but I'm sure she's going to have a huge following there as well. So thank you so much for Maria and helping us to grow. We're helping you to grow. And there's no doubt in my mind that at some point you will have 100,000 subscribers, especially when the bull run starts, when the real bull run starts. It has not started yet, guys. We need to put things into perspective. All right. Blue Whale Ricky, what's up, Selmo Futter? Tim Shea says, hey, as always. Tim Shea, welcome back. Boomer Effin Sooner, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to you, sir. So grateful that all of you have decided to join us here on this beautiful, beautiful Monday. We're grateful that you guys are here. Pat Murphy, total disgrace. Pulse Chainer, common sense is the crypto legend. Oh, yes. Common sense, I believe you're talking about. There's two common senses. One is the OG of this channel. He comes here a lot. And I think the other one you're talking about is Common Sense, the crypto content creator on YouTube. Yes, we are hearing some great things about the stuff he's making. And we would love to have him to come on the show. If he wants to come on the show, he can contact me at Crypto Talk Now 21. By the way, talking about contacting me at Crypto Talk Now 21, type the word giveaway, send me a direct message on Twitter, and you're automatically entered in to win a WAGMI NFT valued at perhaps close to or at 1 Ethereum. So we got to talk about, that's the other thing we have to talk about. We have to talk about Ethereum going on its run. Everyone giving me ribbing me and stuff like that. Look, I recognize that Ethereum has way more utility, does way more better things than Bitcoin. Look, I'm wearing the Bitcoin hat. Why do I wear the Bitcoin hat? Because this is what you have to keep in mind about Bitcoin. I'm pounding on the desk here. You must keep this in mind. If you want the biggest gains over the last couple years, you wouldn't have put your money in Bitcoin, right? But you have to remember, Bitcoin is the face, the ambassador, if you will, of crypto. That's where all the new money is going to come into. That's where all the institutional money is going into. Okay? It's the face of crypto. The other face of crypto perhaps could be Shiba Inu, something like that, and Doge. You got to remember something. These are the things that have a lot of brand recognition. People know more about Bitcoin, or they've heard more about Bitcoin in the outside world, the outside crypto world, than Ethereum. It's just the reality of it. We do know that Ethereum is, provides much more utility. There's a ton of tokens built on it. There's NFTs. We understand that. But you have to keep in mind, that Bitcoin has brand recognition for those that really don't understand about crypto. Like somebody like my mom, she's not invested in crypto. It's not part of her generational understanding, but she does know about Bitcoin. She, that's what she knows. She's heard of Shiba Inu. She's heard of Dogecoin. She's heard of the basic stuff. I bet you know what? I might call her later tonight. She doesn't watch the show too much, to be upfront, but I'm going to ask her how much she knows about Ethereum. Of course she's heard about Ethereum. I'm going to ask her how much she knows. All right. When the mainstream media starts talking, they start talking about Bitcoin first. And so that's just the way it is. All right. So look, we have a bunch of tabs open here. We got a bunch of tabs open. So much to talk about, right? So much to talk about. There's Twitter, Ethereum. What is going on? Ethereum is soars 27%. Let's take a look at Ethereum real quick here. Let's go over to Crypto Bubble. Oh, there it is. Wait a minute. We got to stop. Stop everything. There's been an old man sighting. He's back. The old man has at least come out of his cave in a rare appearance out of his cave for a photo opportunity. Or maybe they took this last year. I don't even know. He looks a little younger there. I don't know. He's back. The old man has come back out of his cave for a photo opportunity ahead of his big time meeting. Look, this is it. This is the meeting. This, for me, is for all the marbles. This meeting on July 26th is going to be an indicator for me for the rest of the year as far as how crypto is going to respond. What do I mean by that? Is it already been built in? Have we already factored in? Have the crypto big players already factored in this rate hike of 75 basis points, 100 basis points? Or are they just fooling us? Is the old man just fooling us? Is he scaring us? He's coming out he's like the Grim Reaper. He never comes until the end. He's just scaring us. Maybe they're just saber rattling about. Maybe it's not. What I'm trying to say is maybe they're not going to raise it that much. Maybe it is going to just be like I originally thought, just 25 basis points. I don't know, but why is the market doing this right now? Why is the market doing so well? Why is Ethereum leading the charge? Look, Ethereum is up 9.4% currently in the last 24 hours, 28% in the week, 46% in the month. What's going on here? Has it already been factored in? Do they know what the old man's going to say? Is it not going to be that bad? Or does crypto not care? Are we finally going to be in an echo chamber in terms of I believe still firmly that all the markets are tied together, but maybe they don't care. Maybe crypto doesn't care anymore. I'm losing my voice. Maybe crypto is not going to care that much is what I'm trying to say when the old man raises interest rates. Either he's not going to raise them by that much, and this is just a fake out, or he's going to raise them by a lot and no one cares. The crypto market is not going to care. That's why I'm saying this is for all the marbles. Whatever he comes out and says, as soon as he says it, 75 basis points, 100, I don't even watch TV. I will turn it off. I have more important things to do than sit around and watch TV. I do watch baseball, at night to fall asleep or whatever. But look, let's see what he says. Fed officials preparing to lift interest rates by another 0.75 percentage point. 75 basis points. Is that really what's going to happen? Is that really what's going to happen? Is it going to be 100? Is it going to be 25? I don't know, but this right here is peculiar. The fact that the market is doing this right now is peculiar. So I'm still talking about Bitcoin. I still believe, look, I still believe, I've said the last couple weeks, now it's been its high today is 22,774. That's almost where my target was. I said it was going to go up, touch 23 or 24,000, then have a sharp correction from there. It's not going up to 28,000. And maybe not in the short. I don't believe so. If we can absorb this interest rate hike and respond positively, then I'm wrong. But I don't believe it's going to head up to 25, 26, 27, 28,000 in the near term. I think it's going to hit 23, 24 and take that dive backwards. Obviously, Ethereum is leading the charge. It's way ahead today and over the week. So that's what I see. I still see in play. Look, I'm still sticking with my June 2nd prediction for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will hit 12,000 by the end of the year. I said that. You can go back and check the tape. Back on June 2nd of this year, I said at some point, Bitcoin will hit 12,000 before the end of the year. I'm sticking with it. I'm just sticking with that. I'm sorry. And I know people are upset about it, but this is just what I see. This is what I see because of all this crap, because of this guy right here. I'm waiting for him to come out and say something. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the market is already absorbed. All right, let's get to the comments. We have this is just the tip of the iceberg. Look, I have so much to talk about, Ethereum and everything else. All right. So look, all right, let's say hello to everybody else that's here. I missed some people. All right. The Jin, how are you doing today, Larry? I'm doing well. Thank you. Pulse Chainer, I saw your tweet, Larry, about sponsors. In the meantime, interview the greats in the game and it will all come into place. Okay, cool. Yeah, we should probably, since I've had a couple guys on, Pablo Crow and Classic Crypto, I have not, except for that, just a day, just reached out to a couple people. And I really need to reach out to more YouTubers and people like that and other players, I guess you could say, in the space, in crypto space. But I haven't just had time to do it. And of course, Maria comes on somewhat on a regular basis. So we do have alliances with other influencers. Crypto Fusion, when will we be rich? I don't know. It depends on what your definition of rich is. So we'll see. Cody Core, I told you the bull run is coming now. Unless it's a fake out, it's a fake out. In my opinion, it's a fake out. The bull run, I don't have enough data. I need to wait and see what he comes out and says on the 26th. If you don't believe me, where's the official calendar? Somewhere here I have the official calendar. I can never find it. Is this it? Okay. Right here. Here's all the dates. Look, this is just pure fact. Unless they want to change things. I don't think that they ever do. All right. The federal, here's what the Federal Reserve is meeting. The Federal Open Market Committee is meeting July 26 to 27. That's the key 2 dates right there. That's when they're going to make the announcement about the interest rates. If there's going to be a hike or not. And if there's a hike, how much? They're meeting again September 21st, November 1st and 2nd, December 13th to 14th. Let's see. Let's see it. Let's see crypto move away from the traditional markets. Let's see them not even care. Let them see them give the special message. I don't do this anymore, but if somebody cuts you off in traffic, let's see the crypto market do that special sign that when someone cuts you off in traffic, you give them that sign. Let's see the crypto market do that to the Federal Reserve. I would love to see it. And then I will start to believe that we have a chance at going on a bull run. Let's see what happens. All right. So Michael Montclair, Shiba was like a rocket, then went back down to 1160 level, waiting for more excitement for the big bull run. Yes, we're waiting. I need more data. I need to wait on that 26th to 27th date. Those 2 days are going to be when they're going to tell us about the rates for the Fed Reserve, and then we'll see how the crypto market responds from there. Pat Murphy, no, 10K for Bitcoin. The bear market is over, thankfully. You think so? Oh, no 10K for Bitcoin. You think the bear market's over? Well, we'll see. Hopefully you're right. Hopefully I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. Now, from a selfish standpoint, I hope that I'm right about the crash still happening because I haven't bought much of anything. I did buy a little bit of VGX. I did buy a little bit of that, but other than that, I haven't bought my favorites in a long time, and I'm just waiting. Here's my top 100 favorites. Luna Classic is pumping a bit right now. By the way, I think Luna Classic is trending. I saw an article, and I think it's trending on Coin Market Cap. Yes, it is. Once again, Luna Classic. Oh, look at this. Terra, the new Terra 2.0, right, is also trending. How about that? That means it's being searched for a lot. And Polygon as well, right? So Terra, Polygon, Terra Classic. Now, have we gotten back? I think earlier today we were over $1 trillion. I thought we were, but maybe I missed it. All right, but now we're at 984.99 billion in terms of volume. That's what we are, up almost 5% over the last 24 hours. So that's interesting. So are we headed into the bull run? I don't think so, but I could be wrong. I really don't think so, guys. So let's see. ETH is headed to 1,700, perhaps in the short term, maybe. That's what they're saying. Are they saying that here? Ethereum, you guys can't see it. All right. Ethereum price analysis. Will Ethereum's price break 1,500 on this move up? I don't know. What are they saying here? As of press time, Ethereum USD reads $1,477. This was just released 2 hours ago. Up 10. It's pulled back a little bit since then. 10% on the day. The 24-hour trading volume shoots up 8.69%. There's the big volume. I'm reading that long number. All right. So Ethereum prices continue to increase in the past few sessions from lows of 1,000 to 1,500. This constitutes an upside rally of 50%, showing great strength and recovery in the asset. So, Bitcoin had its run. Ethereum's having its run. Are the alts going to run? They're running. The alts are running right now. They're running right now. Look, there's the favorites. There's the top 100. The alts are running, except for here. There's a pullback, but it's Lido Dow has been up tremendously, and it needs to have a little bit of a correction. It was up 120% in the week. All right, so here we go. It's a pump fake. Be ready for the fall. Okay, so look, I'm not really a big fan of Allen Iverson. I mean, he's, I don't know. I mean, he's the only older basketball player who comes to mind. He doesn't play anymore. He's retired. When Allen Iverson is doing that crossover, he's going to break somebody's ankles, right? Because he's doing a fake. He's faking everybody out so he can get, distance, so he can be able to make a shot or drive to the hole and make a shot. This is a fake. It's a fake out. I mean, I really believe the market is giving us a fake right now, but I could be wrong. Look, people are making money in the short term. I'm just not that type of I'm not a trader. Maybe I'll evolve into one, but right now I'm an investor, and I'm somebody that likes to buy distressed assets. And so that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the opportunity of a crypto lifetime for all this stuff to crash and burn so I can just be in there to scoop it up at a deep discount. We've talked about it many times before. Stardog did a crazy futures trade in Matic today. Cha-ching, ching. Oh, wow. Okay. Great. I'm glad to hear that, Stardog. All right. Blue Whale Ricky. My mom thinks I'm talking gibberish. Yeah. Yeah, I don't talk to my mom too much about crypto because we talk about just normal family stuff. But, she sometimes I ask my mom, have you heard of this crypto? Have you heard of that crypto? And she hadn't heard of it. All right. Pulse Chainer, Pat Murphy. Definitely 11K and below for Bitcoin. Just a temporary pump. Thank you. Someone agrees with me. I'm saying 12K. I'm sticking to it. Pat Murphy at Pulse Chainer. Nope. All right. So there's healthy disagreement. Pat Murphy, Bitcoin to 28. That's the next level. That's what they're saying. The experts are saying. I don't see it. I think the experts are wrong once again, but we'll see. Tim Shea, Bitcoin might hit 40,000 in the bear market. Crazy. That would be nuts. It could happen. I mean, this is crypto. Anything could happen. Pulse Chainer, it could go to 28K, Pat Murphy, but it's still going to go down to 11K and deeper before all-time high. It's never straight down. That's correct. If Bitcoin crashes straight down, then, I mean, there's some really bad things going on in the world if ever that happens. Pulse Chainer, when assets lose 60 to 90% of their value as crypto has, it will have pumps. Yes, that's true. Correct. Pat Murphy, most coins are down 89%. How much more are they going to drop? I'm telling you guys, there's a lot of bad news. I think they can still drop more. I really do. Why do I say that? Because the old man still hasn't come out yet. It's not the 26. He hasn't seen his shadow yet. He has to come out of his cave. That's what's going to happen. All right. Pulse Chainer. Any thoughts on minting the Marshall Inu? I haven't heard of that one. NFT tomorrow could be life-changing wealth, but curious on your thoughts. I'm not sure. I haven't heard of that one. And you have to forgive me. There is 20,000 different things, and then there's a bunch of NFTs too. So you can enlighten me on it if you want, but I have no clue about that. All right. Blue Whale Ricky. Last Thursday, Ethereum started rising on news that a tentative date of September 19th has been set for the merge. Yes. Thank you for that. That's a good segue. I have something about the merge. Where is it? Okay. Look. See that? It's a perfect cue. Segue. Ethereum Classic. Now, this is a little bit different. It's a classic, right? But they're talking about the merge here. Ethereum Classic is, come out of nowhere. It's up over 50% in a week as Ethereum merge update nears. So that's what you're saying. September 19th is the date. Here we go. So here we go. I don't see the date in here, but I'll take you for that. So that's what's going on. That's what's impacting Ethereum and Ethereum Classic is the rumors of the merge. Blockchain, specifically the merge upgrade slated for September. Indeed, the factor appears to be driving Ethereum price alongside pushing for Ethereum Classic breakout. So you're right. That is what is driving. That's what's driving this rumor of the merge. All right, that's done. We talked about Ethereum with the price analysis. Now, Terra Luna. Well, you know, Blue Whale Ricky reminded me to talk about Terra Luna because he likes Terra Luna so much. All right, so, and I do too. Terra Luna leads the most trending cryptos as investors bet on higher prices. Well, it's not just Terra Luna Classic or Terra Classic. It's also Terra Luna. Both of these are trending. Let's see. Indeed, both Terra Luna, also known as Terra 2, and the platform's old chain, Terra Classic, Luna Classic, are attracting tremendous interest among crypto traders, up on the day by 6.61% and 1.89% respectively as the time of the writing of this article. Thank you, Finbold, for the article. But yes, so also, here we go. I just talked about this right off of CoinMarketCap. Polygon Matic is the second most trending, buoyed as it continues to expand its Web3 infrastructure via a new project with Walt Disney. Yes, that's what's going on. We talked about that the other day. After being selected to participate in Disney's 2022 Accelerator program. So Disney is going to be a big part of the metaverse. All right, so they're working with Matic. All right, Binance, other news. Binance flips Coinbase to become the exchange with the most Bitcoin held globally. So that's interesting news there. We just wanted to read that headline for you guys, keeping score at home. We'll talk about some stuff on Crypto Panic, but first, back to the comments. Okay. Improved 2022. Is this the rambling thoughts of your mind show? Yes, it is. It is the rambling thoughts of my mind show. And thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for you being here to hear my rambling thoughts. Blue Whale Ricky, it's a crypto show. Watch and learn something. Thank you so much. Boomer effing Sooner. I was at the bowling alley when the Allen Iverson fight broke out in 1993. Oh, cool. All right. So, well, you know, Allen Iverson just popped into my mind. You know, he had that crossover and he would fake people out. So that's what I think is going on in the crypto market. We're being faked out, but I could be wrong. There's just people making money. I mean, I'm not saying you're not. I just have a different strategy. And my strategy is just to buy when everything has crashed. All right. Cody Core, maybe Bitcoin hits 20K. If it's possible. It's possible. Like someone just said, it doesn't go straight down. It's going to go up and then it's going to go down. But it's, you know, it doesn't go straight down or straight up. It, you know, it moves. It doesn't move in a linear fashion, down or up. Cody Core then tanks to 12.5K. Then Moon. Okay. I'm thinking 12K. So you're close to what I'm thinking. Blue Whale Ricky. Boomer has a great memory. I can't remember what I ate for dinner last night. Me neither. You know, it's funny. All right. So Pulse Chainer alts can flush 95% plus. Yes. Boomer F and Sooner, laugh out loud. Ricky, I was stationed in Norfolk at the time. I didn't have a clue who Iverson was, but it made the news a lot. Yes. So that's what I think is going on. You know, you can, you know, there's pump fakes in football. You know, the quarterback comes back and he fakes it and then he throws in another direction. This is what's going on. You know, we're just being thrown off a little bit about, you know, people are thinking it's the bull run. I disagree. I think we just need to wait on more data. I'm not saying, you know, I could be wrong. And it's going to be a lot depending on this meeting in here on the 26th and 27th. If the crypto market responds well, that's going to be a big indicator for me. And I need to see, like, you know, it respond well for like a week afterwards, after this 26th date and 27th date. Tim Shea, I need a crystal ball to know when to sell so I can buy back more when it drops. All right. Thank you for that. Cody Core, rambling ideas are better than nothing. Yeah. Look, guys, you know, I came on last night and I was slow. You know, I was, you know, off. I had a lot of stuff on my mind from a family standpoint. You know, my personal family, not my crypto family like you guys are, which are, you know, really personal as well. And, you know, if I'm excited and hyped up because I want to get all this news in really fast, I'm sorry if you don't like the energy. You can go watch somebody like this old man talk. I don't even watch him, so I don't even know I forgot what he sounds like. But to me, he just looks boring. So if you want to watch something boring, then go watch something boring. If you want to watch something where someone's rambling around like a crazy person, then watch me. And I'll try to get as much news in as I can in a short period of time. Cody Core, Mecco. So there you go. Mecco. All right. So what else is going on? Back to Bitcoin. Interesting time period for Bitcoin. You're seeing right now it being outperformed. It's being outperformed clearly by Ethereum and a bunch of other stuff. That's good. We don't need to make all of our money from Bitcoin. We don't need Bitcoin to, 2x, 3x, 4x. That's not what this is about. This is about looking at other things that you believe in. Bitcoin to me is still a store of value. So that's where we're at. This is what I'm waiting on right here. All the stuff to crash. If it doesn't crash, then I missed it. I still will dollar cost in at some point, but I'm just waiting. I could be wrong, but I'm telling you, it all boils down to this meeting right here with the Federal Open Market Committee meeting on the 26th, 27th. We'll just take it one day at a time until that happens. So yeah, so there's a lot going on. I tried to cram everything in a short show for you guys. Blue Whale Ricky, the most extreme crypto skeptics say Bitcoin will tank to as low as 10K in 2022, but a middle ground might be to say the cryptocurrency can still climb 200K. I do believe it can still do that. I'm not saying that Bitcoin will never hit 100K. I personally do not see it hitting 100K before the end of this year. I do perhaps, however, see it hitting 100K in either 2023 or 2024. Once we go on this big bull run, which I'm predicting still February 14th, 2023 at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to stick with that. So yes, 100,000 will be in play for me in 2023. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm still bullish on crypto, but just there's so much bad macroeconomic news and the war and everything else that we just need to wait and see how things play out. Cody Core, me too. Laugh out loud. Larry seems like when he's excited, he goes 1 million miles an hour. Maximus is a good counter for him. Yeah. Max has a different style, and I think we mesh pretty well. And my style will vary. When I talk with Max together tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Max and Larry show, I change up my style. My style is dependent on who I'm talking to. So, when Maria comes on, my style is different than when Max comes on. When I'm by myself, my style is completely different. 2025 for the latest for Bitcoin to hit 100K. You might be right. I do believe it. I do believe it's coming. I still believe there's a crash coming as well, though. So we'll wait and see. But yeah, Ethereum is having a great day and a great week. So hats off to you guys that picked up some Ethereum when it was down in the dumps. And we'll see where it goes from here. I still think that $850 Ethereum is in play before the end of the year. But again, I'm a philosopher and I'm not an expert. So we'll see. I'm more of a crypto philosopher. All right. So there you go. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you guys once again. See us tonight. This is a quick sort of little, trying to jam as much news as I can and be able to say hello to you guys. Appreciate you guys in 30 minutes or less. And then see you tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the big show, your show, Max and Larry's show. Take care, everyone. We will see you soon. Take care.